Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi 10T and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's focus on the first one, settings bar. Here we can manage the aspect ratio. Now we are in 3:4 ratio. Let's pick 1:1. And as you can see, the background has changed to the square one. The next one, tap here and we can also pick 9:16 ratio, so this is the longer one, as you can see. And here we have access also to the full aspect ratio, and this is how it looks like in the camera preview. Of course, when we tap on it once again, we can easily go back to 3:4. And this is how to change this. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.